and I'll see you guys later.
Hey you guys, so basically this part of the video will be a voiceover, but it's not going to be long because honestly this process is not hard, it's not tedious. So you guys seen how I already customized my closure, which is in my last hair review with Sunber's hair. So basically what I'm gonna do in this video is just show you how I install it, how I style it, and that's about it. And how I do the baby hairs. A lot of people wanted to know how to do the baby hairs while with the wig on. So that's what you guys are gonna learn from me today, which is very simple, as you guys can tell from the way I just put the wig on, and it blends very well to lace. So this isn't a hard process, and I highly suggest getting a closure wig if it's your first time ever wearing a wig, because it's not as high maintenance as a frontal would be. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, so basically what y'all just seen was what I said in the beginning, how I install my closure wigs. The last review that y'all seen that I did with Sunber hair, the very first one that I ever did, y'all know I kind of didn't like closure wigs at first, but now y'all, I love them because it only took me 5 minutes. Yeah, it only took me 5 minutes to install this wig, so now I'm kind of like really liking it. And then you guys, I kind of messed up on the very first one because I thought they sent me like a 5x5 closure, but it really wasn't. And everybody's like, where did you get the closure, where did you get the closure? But this closure is actually 4x4, you guys. It just seems so big to me, but I'm guessing it was because of the way that I stretched it out on the wig cap when I made the first wig. So yeah, my bad, y'all. I hope y'all still love me. But yeah, basically this is how I install my closure wig. It only takes about 5 minutes, real easy. And y'all, I love Sunber's closures. I haven't had a frontal by